guys, let's just unpack on Mommy Club with season 3, episode 6. Yo, it's moving fast, but hey, these ladies, guys, everyone's complaining about them. Don't and they're on Twitter. They're like, hey, what are they teaching to our children? What are we learning from Mama Banjay? People feeling like that. They're like, ay. So Unox is not happy at all with the level of bullying that's going on with these mothers. So she doesn't show up in anything that they're doing. She actually showed up when they were dancing in heels. That's all that was organized by Happy. She was like, hey, I don't need these people. And she said it before, when are they going to grow up? And people are just so surprised about Upeladi. Upeladi, who is she? Like, so basically, they are back from Limpopo. I need to remember where they had so many altercations. But it was crazy. It was just mostly, they just didn't understand each other. Like, the ladies are invited to Titi's party. Naye asasazi ukuthi unangazi mina ngagcina na 16 mana they're not telling us ukuthi unanga kuTiti. Ukubona leyo nto. No one is telling us. So Nozipho came but uKhokho didn't come. I was just like, I Nozipho, guys. She's a friend of a show now. But umntanakhe, they actually very close. Umntanakhe Happy or mhlambe they had some fallout. We don't know. They're not telling us, but she didn't come. I didn't expect that because it seemed like on season 2 they got along. Umntanakhe Happy noga uKhokho. Umntanakhe Nozipho, uKhokho nomntanakhe Happy uTiti. But now she didn't come. I was just like, wow. So Mrs. J was asked and she didn't even expect that ukuthi athandaziswe at the party. But you know how it is with umthandazo. You can't be waiting for ukuthi ngosami bazongibiza yini ukuthi ngithandaze. It must just come from the heart uthandaze. You know that. So Mrs. J didn't really complain. She just prayed and she prayed really well. And I think Happy umchoose because unalento ukuthi no, she's a spiritual healer. She won't be like, hey, ngithandaze. Like kuyibona leyo nto leyo. And then my friend also said some speeches about their friend. It was very touching. No, Happy said some really, really nice things as a mother. It was nice. So they were dancing gig there. They danced the whole night. It seemed like a really, really great party. They were dancing. Even the mummies, all of them actually, they were dancing. Okay, contribute little panty, feeling good. You know what? I'm not even happy here at this part, but everyone was happy. You know. Peladi, as the party is going on, she gets a call, which is another foot one, the problem that we have with Peladi and the children. Hence, this is the Mommy Club, but we never see her children. Uzobobona unini, noma a dancer, Peladi when it's starting. Just the Nini is the only person that we can see. We've never seen Peladi's children, guys. Please tell me if you've seen them when. Angazi noma it's like I even said on episode 4 ukuthi mhlambe it's the dad that is like mina ezami ingane since futhi wangishaya nazo they not gonna show on the TV of yours hamba wena on the show of yours ubuye busy ungangifake mina lapho. You know, uJabu Sande never came to the party. I just forgot to tell you that. Yeah, uNoxie also never came to the party. Ya Happy ngoba ubathe une diarrhea bese hlekwa ke. Guys, like toxic things like that, petty things like that, you know. Why? It doesn't matter. I was just not going to come just because I don't want to hang around with you. Meaning these ladies. She never came. And Mrs. J was like, she needed the break, bruh. Like, she needed the break. Right, you know. I was still saying ukuthi Peladi gets a call ukuthi umntanakhe uyagula ke, ne? And then she left kanjalo from Titi's party. And then Mrs. Sande, guys, unenhlebo going on with her. It's not the first time, but she must stand up for herself. She can't. I never get that. She is never accountable for anything. She kept on saying, I don't know. Ulwisa bani uJabu ulwisa Mrs. J no Nozipho. Because Mrs. J is like, so when Nozipho utinike mina ngathini? Oh, guys. And then where was that now coming from? I know mina. I didn't even say izinto ezibingawe mina ngizongo Mrs. Sande. Mrs. Sande, Mr. Baby mbuza. No, I don't know. I can't remember. How? Ngathi I lost singeke uyixoxile phiqi. I actually made a decision ukuthi uyixoxile phiqi usisters. And then bakhuluma ngani ngalento uNozipho angafuni ukuzwa i-polygamy and i-relationship yakhe nendoda yakhe ukuthi he went on to marry a 20-year-old. You know, akuyona into abengabe bayikhulume on the side leyo, asingene nowhere thina lapho. And uNozipho, I don't think she'll ever tell us, just as much as she is a friend of a show now, she'll never tell us proper indaba yokuthi kwenzakaleni. Is she still with Mr. Ntshangase after she married the 20-year-old, or what's going on? But she had said she's moving on with her life. But uJabu Sande is a snake, guys. And then she just never talks about anything. You know? Bula time nangas, I don't know. I was just like, I was sis. And then Mrs. J went to visit her mom, confident. You know how it is with mummies. They are confident. Actually, those people don't even judge us. Our mummies, I'm very grateful that my mom is still alive. She's 74 in September, and we talk about anything and everything. You must hear us laughing. We giggle until the call is done. I'm just like, the other day we were on the phone for 45 minutes about a week ago. I was like, 45, I didn't even realize. And then she just gave the mom a scoop around the ladies. I understand that, but let's not dwell on that, guys. Uvuyi is also home with her kids. She's just talking to them about the dad, losing the dad. So the last dad, I think why umlungu. Yeah, so ngoba he came into their lives, unathi lo number 2 wake was like very, very young. So she knew him as her dad. So she started crying and being emotional around that. I miss him and all of that. Even with his older child, I think also varsity lomdala ngoba I heard her saying something about dress the other day. So they are just talking, you know what, we all had, but number 3 Vuyi, I will be confused around, because she's like, why are you guys crying? Like, she doesn't know, but I'm used to be therapist, but I also put the therapist, she's not young for that. But I was just like, who am I to look into those things and get what they're going through, guys? We can just see it, Tina, but behind the scenes, they assess about what they go through, you know? So Mrs. Sande had a walk with the helper yakhe, just talking. The helper lost a brother. So I'm telling you, you know, I also lost a brother in 2001. You still don't even know what happened. It was a hit and run, and my brother passed on the Sasnex. But in it's hitting, it's like into izolo. So Mrs. Sande again, I shed some tears there, and they came up with another story. Mrs. Sande is actually not married anymore. I'm still trying to find that out. It's not proper story for me, and I'm just like ayangazi. So Mrs. Sande kuyakhuluma ne-helper, kuyayitshela i-helper ukuthi ngangizokuyisa educate esikoleni ukuthi ukwazi ukufunda and all of that. In the diaries, guys, the helper was like, hey, kunini engitshela lokho ukuthi uzongisa esikoleni, and mina ngi-understand ukuthi uzongisa nini, usenzela ama-TV ukuthi uzongisa esikoleni ngizobona ngaye. How? I was just like, guys, I didn't expect that. Ngikhathele umuntu elibelethi uzongisa esikoleni kodwa kangisa. So the next one out, the ladies, when they went to the studios to dance again at 5, 6, 7, 8 studios to dance in hills again. At some stage, no, knocks now. You been dance emhleke happy with the body. Le body unayo, but akakwazi ukudansa. Udansa kanjani? But she got it right again. Yama steps akhona ke. It was nice. Avukwa amadlozi ke usisi lo abathi Mrs. J and uHepha Table. Lona uzobe vukwa amadlozi. Nginaphi in her madlozis and Mrs. Vukwe into zakhe ambuze ukuthi ulalephi. And ngathi ulala amalundilo abathi uHappy akalala ngendlini. And wambona Mrs. J ukuthi ulala ngendlini. You with a man. Athi no, le ndoda le we had gone to meetings. Bese ngazakanga nje story sakhona. But uHappy umbonile ukuthi she doesn't wanna dwell on that story. I was just like, wow. And uHappy was a bit freaked out ukuthi hayibo ngifuna mina amadlozi kaMrs. J ukubona leyo nto le. So badansa kuyaqala phansi ke indaba kaPheladi noNox. uPheladi, guys, always, and iqala uMrs. J, bathi yona Mrs. J indaba, the whole thing episode 5 futhi ukuthi Mrs. J doesn't seem to understand ama feelings ka Pheladi as well. Ubusy nje noNox kuphela. She was bored. And then iwasho noNox ukuthi nami angise bored ke sana. Baqalile baloku bekhuluma lesi story. Ngapha uPheladi ufeel ukuthi people must apologize to her. When she was so rude to Noxy. How is Noxie gonna apologize to Pelati, guys? And why must she apologize to her? I was just like, how this girl I'm done. And bonka bantu bam don't na go tweet. Just feel good. She's very childish and at some stage and petty also. She takes everything to heart. Utamanta apologize. I'm just like, who must apologize to you? I get come to finally apologize when I says. No, delela abantu la trashing this child and ufuna na recruit abanye abantu ukuthi ba uNoxie bamjikele bamenze all sorts of things. And those ladies nje are just all childish. Ngisho happy. Happy akafuna ukukhula. Namanje besamela uPhelathi. It's Mrs. J. No. Athi Tommy nama feelings ami kusho uPhelathi esho Mrs. J. But it's not about you now. Can we just talk about Noxie and finish? And then we're going to address your situation as well. Look, what is your problem? Yeah, she ended up keeping quiet. Guys, I'm just like, I'm done. And I can't complain, including in social media. There at the inkundleni zokuxhumana zase-Twitter babhizi nabantwana abatheka sekelo umama kanjani futhi lapho ukuyibona leyo nto so ngizoke ngime lapho kancane ngalabo mama kodwa nje hayi understand them. She needs to keep it together uPhelathi. Yeah, she's a lot. Yeah, uNoxie must apologize for who and for what. So ngisho lapho guys, thank you so much. Ngithanda over.